In this video, we're going to be considering how much 6,500 FTM will be worth by 2025. Now, please remember to always do your own research, and nothing I say is financial advice. So, at the time of recording, you can obtain FTM for about 40 cents per coin at a market cap at about $1.065 billion. Now, to buy 650 FTM coins, you're going to need about $2,600. I wouldn't put too much hope on the potential peak price that FTM can achieve because, as things stand, the coin's available supply in circulation is about 2.8 billion FTM, which is already about 88% of its total supply. That's the total amount of FTM tokens to be in existence. And, as you already know, the closer the circulation supply is to the total or maximum supply, the lower the margin of growth that the coin's market cap can experience, and ultimately, the degree to which the price growth is capped. There are only about 371.36 million FTMs yet to be released into circulation, and the maximum price growth that FTM can produce in its price action, as well as its market cap, is valued at about 12% of its current values in both departments. So, here we are, looking at a coin that may not actually reach $1, but rather stabilize at a 2x performance. Now, this is surprising because the coin once reached about $3.48 per FTM. If you'd bought 6,500 FTM at that time, the entire portfolio would have been worth about $22,620. The coin's current status has yet to reflect the heavy investments that have entered the FTM market. At its all-time high, the coin had a market cap of about $7.44 billion. But in the last year, we've seen the coin gather momentum and adoption as reflected in its market cap, but it only saw the price of FTM grow from 29 cents in January 2023 to about 60 cents in April before dropping down to 40 cents, which is its current price. Now, at this price, its market cap is about $1.1 billion, which means that for the coin to reach its all-time high market cap, it would have to increase in capitalization by about 6.7 times. And this would also inspire an increase from 40 cents to $2.60. And at that price, your 6,500 FTM would be worth about $17,485. Mind you, this expectation is easily achievable in the year 2024, albeit after a long and steady process along the year. On the strength of the weigh-in, which Fantom is being adopted for DeFi trading alone, we are beginning to see a lot of Fantom coin purchases simply for the use of trading some lesser-known coins on the ecosystem and accrue some profits in the short term. A lot of these tokens trooping in circulation will surely generate quite the momentum for FTM even in the advent of a highly anticipated bull run. Now, what I anticipate is that even in the absence of a bull run, we might see Fantom go on a rather enterprising run to first clear the lines at $1 from 40 cents, which would bring your 6,500 FTM to be worth about $6,500. A whopping 60% increase in price. Please note that these price potentials are highly predicted on the potential of the coin's total supply getting bumped up. But with certain mechanisms being deployed by most crypto projects in order to initiate a price pump via scarcity, we might see the coin really reach a whole new level. Another important prediction for FTM suggests a pump to about $5 for the coin by the year 2025. Now, there are a couple of things to be noted about this price. First, it is 1,250% higher than its current price. And for a coin that has only about 12% of its supply yet to be circulated, the price potential is narrow as explained earlier. But let us imagine, what if? What will the coin's circulating supply have to be, as well as the market cap, to be at this level? We're looking at a potential circulating supply of at least 20 billion FTM tokens and a market cap of about $100 billion at the $5 price level. Sure, this all sounds good, but is it important to know exactly what Fantom is all about? Fantom is like a super efficient digital platform that helps people use and build things with blockchain technology, kind of like how apps work on your phone. It has its own special way of making sure everything is secure and fast. Fantom's main goal is to fix some issues that other platforms like Ethereum have, such as making transactions really quick, really in just a couple of seconds. To achieve this, Fantom uses its unique technology called Lachesis, which is like the brain that makes sure everything runs smoothly. Lachesis uses a cool system that allows information to be processed at different times, making sure only the right participants are involved. Now, this helps keep things safe and secure. And at the center of all these operations is FTM, the native cryptocurrency of the ecosystem. Its use serves paying transaction fees or participating in community decisions. Fantom wants to be a fast and affordable way for people to use blockchain technology, and it has a special system in place to let users have a say in how things are done. Now, in simple terms, Fantom is like a super efficient, secure, and cost-effective digital playground where people can use blockchain technology without all the usual headaches often associated with it. That's putting it simply. The project has not stopped development even through the brunt of the 2022 bearish market. Some of the latest news coming out as part of their roadmap for 2024 is the newly launched Fantom Sonic testnet, which will act as a testing environment for their upgraded blockchain technology. It's pretty much an upgraded version of their existing infrastructure that will have a whole bunch of features that might not be so prominent just yet. First, we can expect the network's own virtual machine, otherwise known as FVM. This is expected to make smart contracts execute much faster than before. Added to that is what is known as the Karman Database Exchange. This will use a more efficient way to store data, reducing storage costs for validators by up to 90%. A third addition would be an upgrade to the network's Lachesis consensus mechanism, which will improve the transaction process, making it just overall more efficient. With this upgrade, the observable changes were that Sonic will be able to handle over 2,000 transactions per second with super fast finality. Also, it significantly reduces the amount of storage needed from 11 terabytes to less than 1 terabyte, making it more affordable for anyone to join and participate in the network. The mainnet for Fantom Sonic is set to launch in spring 2024. And this is going to open up new opportunities for markets that were previously limited by slow transactions and delays. This is going to bring a whole new period of faster DeFi platforms, blockchain games, and other applications that can take advantage of Sonic's speed and scalability. Ever since the launch of the project, I really expected that this will lead to a major boost of the coin's value, at least in the long term. It can most likely sponsor the pump of FTM to $1 on its own accord, considering the degree of positive sentiment surrounding the crypto market at this time amidst the call for a bull run. Now, by 2025, the coin will most likely be surfing at about $2.50 per adventure. We see an extended bull run going into the year 2025.